have a little echo right here. Hey, stop repeating mummies. Please. Love you.
I love you.
Hi Bess, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanna open and swatch the James Charles palette. And as you saw from my last video, this is the next giveaway. Ooh, look at that, isn't that awesome? There's a combination of matte, what do you call this, shimmers and then glitters. So without further ado, let's start. So I'm just gonna swatch them on my hand. We're gonna do the per column like that, okay? I'll probably just do a picture. It's a lot to do swatches. Okay, so nakita niyo na yung mga swatches and it's freaking awesome. I think this is really good, especially for its price point. Kasi ang dami nito eh. And it's Morphe is not, you know, high end. Imagine mo naman ilan to. 39. So parang $1 each. Ang dami. Oh, diba? It is very good. Very pigmented. Yung black actually, ayun. Makikita mo pa siya, nandyan pa siya. Worth it, I should say. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.